In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a map sensor on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located in the engine bay. Let's get started. Lift straight up on the engine cover and remove it. We're going to look all the way at the back of our motor, and you're going to find this connector. There's going to be a red lock on there. You have to push that red lock back. Tucked up right under that red tab is going to be your push tab right there. Push on that, pull straight back, and remove the connector. Twist the sensor out of the connection. Pull straight up and remove the map sensor. Install the map sensor into place. Twist it to lock it down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. And close that locking tab. Install the engine cover into place. Push it down and it'll drop into its grommets and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.